Doing my routine here. I gotta take a picture of the location and the odometer and the gas receipt. Did it work? Having some car trouble. Battery died. So had to stop at Walmart. I got a car battery now in here, empty gas can here. Other than that, I mean, everything's still on the bike. So I'm gonna shoot back down the road here and try to get this show on the road. Alright, so it is day 3 officially of America's Longest Book Drive, Key West, Florida to Deadhorse, Alaska. It's a special day because I've got an escort out of town. I've got Brian and Annalise on the black street glide and Ryan and Lindsay on the white street glide. I've also got my wife and kids in a car behind me. So super excited to have everybody here with me. So today is a relatively short day. We're doing about 160 miles up to Tazewell, Virginia, home of the Back of the Dragon. Just crossed into Virginia. Not sure if I got the picture of the sign, but you know, imagine a sign that says "Welcome to Virginia." We are going to pull over here in just a second at a restaurant called Sarah's. Been there once before. Got all kinds of great motorcycle memorabilia. Doesn't look like much from the outside, I will admit, but if you are ever in the area, definitely stop there. Bruce and Sarah own the place, and they are a trip. Bruce has got tons of bike stories. You know, definitely check it out. Fox Creek General Store, I think, is what it shows up as on GPS. So look for either of those two places. Now we've got about 20 miles or so to Marion. That's the start of the Back of the Dragon. We're going to run half of it and then stop at the scenic overlook and then run the second half, and that'll be it for the day.
Route 16 is from Tazewell to Marion. It's 32 miles, 438 curves. It's fantastic. People come from all over the country to ride this road. Back of the Dragon, the store. So we've been in this beautiful facility for about 3 years. And so not only do we have a bunch of cool merch about the Back of the Dragon, we also have a brewery and a coffee shop. We actually rent out slingshots. We have our BOTD pics, which is our photos that we take on the road. So, I mean, how cool is that to have your picture of you on the road? And then we also have our awesome food truck, which serves deliciousness So that's really cool too.
Said goodbyes again. Feels like all I said are goodbyes on this trip. The plan is 215 miles up 77 to Parkersville, Ohio, and then I'll take 555 to I don't know, somewhere else in Ohio, and end up in Michigan tonight. I think I may have missed my turn. I'm not sure where I am. So here's a fun fact for you. On I-77, West Virginia has tolls. But the SunPass from Florida works anywhere Easy Pass is accepted. Delaware, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Minnesota, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Ohio. Good to know. I'll be there next. Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, West Virginia. Okay, so I can use my SunPass. That's going to save some hassle. Stick this to the windshield and get on with my life. Well, maybe it didn't work. I said go SunPass, right? Yeah, so. All right. So, just at 150 miles. Got some gas now. Quick lunch at McDonald's. And now I'm on my way to Little Hocking, Ohio, which is the southern point of the Triple Nickels 555. Last checked, I've got about 5 hours of riding left, which is fine because it's 3 o'clock, give or take. So I'll get in around 8 or 9 by the time I stop, factor in some stops. So it looks like another 12-hour day.